When you agree to pay $85 million for something you expect it to work, especially when it's taxpayer funded. Good evening, I'm Angela Taylor.
And I'm Rod Carter. So what happens when the new software that runs the court system is not fully up to speed? CBS 17's Russ Bowen is joining us now. You've been digging deeper into this for more than a month now. And Russ, the Wake County District Attorney told you she is well aware of these problems.
She is aware, the judges are aware, and the attorneys are aware. Wake is one of 4 pilot counties that launched before all the state's courts and lawyers are connected to the same computer system. And it looks like they've got a way to go to see whether that will even happen. 600 to 800 people with minor traffic offenses go through this Wake County courtroom a day. That does not include all the other criminal and civil cases. A new court computer system launched the 13th of February, the largest upgrade in 4 decades.
I think we're in a good news, bad news scenario. I mean, we certainly have managed to keep the doors open.
Wake County District Attorney Lauren Freeman says they've added extra staff so they can get people in and out the door. That's because of technical problems that followed the change in software. Some
of the things that we felt were fixed as we went into it that turned out that we've had problems with. So calendaring some of the cases showing up in more than one courtroom on a calendar or showing up on more than one court date. So there are just bugs in the technology that we are working through with Tyler and with the Administrative Office of the Courts.
Tyler Technologies has faced problems with similar court software in other states, in some cases leading to lawsuits. Even at a price tag of $85 million, some local attorneys say they are dealing with a list of issues, including incorrect court costs and delayed DWI cases. As I hear these frustrations from local attorneys, what's your response to them?
Yeah, I've been frustrated too, right? And so, I mean, I understand it. I don't want to act as if we are oblivious to the fact that there are defects in the system that are going to have to be fixed. If we can get this to work, it will have been worth it, but we are very much right now in that kind of teetering stage of, are we going to be able to get these issues in the technology fixed or not?
So what is the or not scenario?
At some point, there will come a day where we have to make a determination as to whether those things, are going to be able to get fixed and whether we're going to be able to move forward with this. I think it's too early right now to make any determination about that. But certainly, there have been a few things that have caused concern for lawyers, for the public, and for us that aren't functioning the way they're supposed to be functioning.
And Tyler Technologies does have staff on hand to deal with these issues as they come up. Mecklenburg County, with the county seat of Charlotte, scheduled to launch in May. That's just 2 months away, guys. And in so many words, the jury is still out on whether that date will hold. It all depends on how things go here.